Data published the OECD is clear among the member countries of the Club of Good Practices. None has registered an increase in the unemployment rate as high as that of Colombia. According to a latest report from the entity, the country is the only one that exceeds and even approaches 20% unemployment according to data from my or the latest available. Spain, the second in the ranking, does not exceed 15%, while the organization's average is around 8%, and some 13 economies have a figure of less than 5%. But Colombia does not lead only in the data that is already known, but also in the negative forecast for the labor market during this year 2020, taking into account the heading of employment growth. The country presents a drop of 10.6% in the scenario of a single coronavirus wave, whereas if a regrowth were to occur, that figure would rise to 12.6%. The closest economy is the United States, which would show a decrease of 8.1% and 9.8% respectively, while Spain would do survive 5.3% and 6.4% respectively, data much lower than those they would see nationally, and compared to the expected statistics regarding the variation of the unemployment rate itself, the trend is the same.
Given all of the above, we can say that in our countries the amount of unemployment is abrupt and exaggerated compared to other countries such as the United States, Europe, or other countries that today do not reflect these unemployment rates and are already, already very minimal. An example unemployment we can build one on that is happening today in the world due to the pandemic and quarantine. Many people were fearing for their jobs for the different reasons such as security or simple because it, it already to existed in those who were not working the longer they had the possibility of paying of paying their salary in general. One of the best solutions to about so much unemployment in our countries is that there be more studying for young people so that they can get ahead and in the future aspire to a good job or create their own company and, and business.
In the course of the time, the Colombian economy has been affected not only by the capitalist environment and the Great Lakes War Control Trade, but also by the lack of work on our own products. Colombia is the country where only there was the exploitation of natural resources, why cause that it's though not wild some many jobs size in the country its work products are not generated one way to decrease Colombia unemployment will be decreased or will factor tool would not only decrease unemployment but also increase the economic exponentially.